Have you been wanting to make some passive income just like this for using a free software? Well, I'm going to show you a free one I have recently just found, and that it started to make me some passive income right away, almost instantly, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So to start this video off, guys, for using this actual piece of software and how I found it, I was just going through websites and just going through forums and just looking at random stuff on how to make passive income with crypto, and I came across this rotator right here. It's really interesting, guys, and really simple to set up. All you have to do is just download it on your Windows what computer or laptop and just set up the information and then click on play. That's how easy it is. You're gonna get a free 25 cents for the anti-captcha balance. So this is gonna start to solve these captchas in cryptocurrency for you passively for just a click of a button. Now there's something really interesting about this, guys, that there's only a couple, I think 17 faucets that it's working with at the moment, and you can see my account is just growing every minute right here, guys. Look, my Tron account had just been signed into, and I'm about to collect some free tokens or some free Tron right in a couple of minutes. You can see it all happening right here at the bottom of the screen. Claim started. So it's going to start the claim, and you can see that happening back here in the back end inside of my actual account. These are brand new accounts, and I'm going to leave the links to all of these websites down in the description of this video so you can get started making some passive income right now with this one piece of software that is for free. No need to pay anything. So it says claim ended, success. So you're gonna see my balance just go right in front of your guys' eyes, and I have not done anything at all. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually get started right now. So first off, let's stop this faucet because it's just going to keep going through the list every hour to actually give me some more crypto. So let's stop it for now. Let's click right here to stop the rotator. Now I'm gonna have to delete my information, so I'll be right back. But after you have downloaded that, guys, this is how it's gonna look in the back end. It's inside the settings tab right here. It's only two tabs that you only open up inside of this actual software, and this is how simple and easy it is. You just come over here, you see what websites it's actually using, and all of these, or most of these, will be down in the description of my video if you want to use them. If not, then just come over here and type it in manually. It's totally up to you guys. So I'm going to leave the links for those down below, and as you can see right here, all you have to do is just type in your login and your password. So you just click right here where it says start editing. You come down here, start to put in your login information and your password, and then you click right here to activate it. So if we already put in our information right here, so just type in anything, and then we click on activate, then we don't have to click on this save. We can click on save changes, so we can change all of them and save them to whatever you have changed it to. So if we just click on save changes, you can see that happening right there. Now I cannot play with this or edit it until I click this button again. And just in case, because this is what I found out, exit out of the whole application itself and then restart it so it can start to work. Because I tried this, I edited, and then I saved it, and I went directly to rotate, and it was not working for some reason until I closed out the whole program itself, restarted it, and then just clicked on the play button right here to start the rotator. And that is how simple it is to get this up and running. Now you might be asking, well, Edward, how do I get this? How do I get more anti-captcha balance? Now, as you can see right here, guys, it is the initial balance is around 25 cents that you're going to get for free by clicking on the link down in the description of this video and signing up under me. You're going to get a free 25 cents in order to do that, guys. Added and pending from referrals. Now, this is how you're going to get your balance. You need referrals on this, guys, in order to start getting balances. So every time they complete 50 of these, you're going to get a balance more added to your actual anti-captcha balance. So let's say somebody signs up under me, right? And then you guys saw 50 captchas. I'm going to get 25 cents added to this. Now you guys find somebody, one person, simple, and I'm about to show you how in a minute, so don't exit out of this video yet. So once you guys found somebody to sign up under you, then they're going to give you 25 cents every time they actually saw 50 captchas for free. So it's like a little system that is being built on this one software, and that's what makes it free. So now in order to actually get referrals on your software through your referral link right here, all you have to do is come to Express Crypto and then start to put in ads, $5 ads inside of this right here, or go over to Faucet Pay, guys. So come over here to Faucet Pay and actually put another ad here here if you're wanting to, and this is how you can start to get some referrals onto the software itself, so you can start to get those free 25 cents and then start to make this an unlimited amount of money that you can make with cryptocurrency from these websites themselves. Now we have all the Moon Bitcoins, Moon Litecoins, Moon Dash, and we have all the free Dash, free Chain, free Neo, free Coin, free Cardano, and all of these free faucets that you can use right now to make some passive income. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you, and this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett, I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel, so you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.